Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dashcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a big falling wedge pattern, Dashcoin found another downtrend line resistance on a weekly time frame chart. And this was the video, by the way. And I was telling you that now there is a probability that Dashcoin, after testing the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, can take another bounce. And you can see that right now it is getting bounced from this previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for UTK. You just need to open that link. It will take you to the trading view chart. And there is a play button available on every trading view chart. You just need to click that play button and it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dashcoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And we can see that previously Dashcoin was moving inside a very, very big falling wedge pattern. It was entered the wedge in the month of April 2021, and even after several attempts, it was not able to break out the resistance and even did not break down the support as well. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern on 2nd of January 2023. You can see it was quite squeezed, therefore, there was a very high probability that soon it can break this pattern, and it has broken out the resistance of this pattern. And after breaking out this resistance, it has found another downtrend line resistance, and this is the reason that Dashcoin could not continue its move to the upside. And in order to continue its rally, even after this breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, we need to break out this smaller falling wedge pattern that has been formed above the resistance of the previous falling wedge. When we found this resistance and we got rejected by this resistance and dropped down at this support of $30.50, I was telling you that even though the price line is moving down, but still we have the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern that can work as a support, and that can also work as a support for the newly formed falling wedge pattern. And you can see that now the price line is getting bounced from this support, and now there is a probability that after this bounce it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the smaller falling wedge pattern. By the way, this time we also have a very long term and strong resistance, slightly higher than the resistance of this smaller falling wedge pattern, and that resistance is at $38.50. And we will still need to break out that resistance even after breaking out this downtrend line resistance of the falling wedge pattern in order to continue its move to the upside, because you can see that previously this level of $38.50 has been breaking as a very strong support here back in December 2019 and as a support here in March 2020. And you can see it also worked as a support here as well. And after breaking it down, you can see it flipped into a very, very strong resistance. And for several weeks of months, it has been working as a very strong resistance. And now, for the past several weeks, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see we got rejected by this resistance here in the month of May 2023. And before that, here it was also breaking as a support as well. By the way, once the price line will be able to break out this smaller falling wedge pattern, then the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $75. And the final target for this huge breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $480 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.